What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Just made our way to the cruise ship. Wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of the room we got. So Royal Caribbean gives you an option whenever you book to submit a upgrade for the price that you want to pay for it. Luckily for us, they accepted my offer, so we got a little bit of an upgrade for about half the price of what they wanted to if we were to book the upgrade originally. We didn't do that. I put in the offer, they accept the offer, got a great discount. So, check this out. You walk in, you have your big mirrors right here. And all these mirrors actually make this place look so much bigger. But, don't get me wrong, it is a big room. Let's check out some of the storage. Lots of storage space in here, huge closet, and we got some robes. Your boy is gonna be rocking those for sure. For sure. We have a coffee maker here with some pods, glassware for us for champagne and whatnot. I thought we were going to have champagne or a bottle of wine here waiting for us, but that is not the case. I wonder if that's because we didn't upgrade what we did. They didn't give us champagne for the price that we paid. Check out the bathroom. Hadn't been in here yet. Holy shit. So, you always hear stories of the bathrooms on cruise ships being super small. That's not the case here. You have a huge soaker tub. That way my knees won't be out in the air. I can put my boobs and my knees in the water at the same time. Yep. But this bathroom is massive. I don't know what I'm looking at.
One thing that I forgot to mention is this sofa is a pull-out. And there's also a sound bar and subwoofer.
And behind me, we got the bed. Nice. Looks like a king. A king or a queen? Let me know in the comments. Looks like a queen. Maybe a queen. Who knows? Nice desk area. So originally when we booked it with, it was just a normal balcony room, didn't want to spend the extra money. And again, first time cruise, we were trying to get out and see it. Definitely happy put in for the upgrade. But here's the part that should be the whole kit and caboodle to this whole suite room, stateroom. I think it's stateroom. I think that's what they call them, suites, stateroom, stateroom suite. But the main attraction of this room right here, ladies and gentlemen, if I could figure out how to open this. Nope. Alright, so dumb. This one doesn't open. Y'all stop laughing at me, man. I'm a little special. Check this out. So, on our balcony, we have this huge area covered, which is good because it just started coming down here. You know, it's normal for Florida. It is what it is. But we also have these sun loungers over here. So these will definitely get taken advantage of. Stay tuned. This series is going to be super awesome. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button to follow the journey. Your boy's going back into full-time traveling in 1 month.